Now imagine this. You just got out of school and your teachers are all over you. Oh, stop coming in late. Oh, hand in your assignment. Stop sleeping in class. I don't want to hear that. You know what I do want? A chocolate bar. So you go down to your dollar store and you look through the aisles of what to get. Kit Kat, Hershey's, no. The best chocolate bar to get is a Kinder Bueno. I think we can all agree on that. And if you don't, I'll explain. A Kinder Bueno has many components in the ingredients, and that in its factor makes it unique. The experience of eating a Kinder Bueno is so much better compared to something like Mars. And the quality of production is so much better than anything you'll find here in North America. Now, moving on to my first point, the build of a Kinder Bueno. A Kinder Bueno is made of four main things: dark chocolate, light chocolate, a wafer cone, and a hazelnut cream. Now, we'll start from the beginning. On the surface, it's a light chocolate with a drizzle of dark chocolate. It's a slight, very slight contrast, but it gives depth, and that's what's important. It gives a nice, very nice depth, and it lets you go on to the second part, the wafer cone. The wafer cone is not crunchy like Kit Kat or those dry wafer cones you get at some dollar store from some cheap Italian guy. No, it's like an ice cream cone, and it's so good. If you don't believe me, you just gotta go try it. And what's in the wafer cones is the hazelnut cream, the star player. What other chocolate bar gives you crunch and cream? I'll wait for you to name one. Nothing, exactly. Kinder Bueno's ingredients are top tier. It's a absolutely beautiful, perfect design for a blueprint of a chocolate bar. Now, moving on to my second point, the experience of eating the chocolate bar. Okay, you could have a good ingredient, but what about the actual experience of eating it? Well, it's just as good, and I would say even better, because compared to eating something like Hershey's or Mars, where it's heavy and it's kind of like, it falls flat. A Kinder Bueno does not fall flat, as it goes through many different stages of light chocolate, dark chocolate, the wafer, and the cream, like I had mentioned before. It gives you a nice roller coaster ride of an experience of eating it. Not to mention the proportions are also appropriate. Instead of having to eat half a bar and then put it in your pocket and wait for it to melt, you can have one bar and save the other one for later. It's convenient. Now, my third point, the quality of production. Now, Kinder Bueno is made by Ferrero. Ferrero is also known for making Ferrero Rocher, which is a top brand chocolate. And it's also based in Europe, places like France, Berlin, Switzerland. All these places prioritize quality over quantity, unlike North America and Canada. Just the pure fact that in North America and Canada, they use things like Red 40 as a dye, which is literally made from gasoline. Gasoline, the thing that runs your car because they want to push out more products than actually care about the care. In Europe, they don't do that. And the only things in Europe that have things like Red 40 and the blue dye and stuff are American imported products. Now, do you really want your chocolate bar to be meddling around with a bunch of gasoline? No, you would want the top ingredients. Now, with everything I said before, taking all three things into account, I don't know why you wouldn't want a Kinder Bueno. I mean, it tastes better, it's more unique, the experience is good, and you know it's gonna be some healthy stuff. Or not healthy, but better than gasoline. Now, next time you're hungry and you're sick of your teachers and you wanna go to the dollar store and get a snack, just remember what I said and get a Kinder Bueno. Because if you don't, you're wasting your money.